today I will be discussing 5 rules of writing. The very first rule is that you need to make complex sentences by adding conjunctions. I guess I mentioned this thing before as well. So conjunctions always help you to join 2-3 sentences together. For example, and, but, so, why. So these are really important as this makes your writing quite complex, and which is really impressive as well. So second rule is you need to avoid contraction words, as contraction words are not at all allowed in your writing part. Don't use short forms. If you want to use full-fledged, do not. Please avoid writing don't. I hope you have understood what exactly the contraction words are. The third rule is you always need to mention example when it comes to writing task 2, and please avoid giving personal examples. Try to give any universal example. If universal example is not there, then you can write any survey. Like for example, you can write a survey was conducted by Times of India in the year 2005 and reveals that. So this is how you can give your example. The fourth rule is please leave line after every paragraph. It is really mandatory. And the fifth rule is if possible write in passive form. Don't write in active. Somehow, like I would like to give you example related to this as well. Don't write we can see. Instead of that, you can write it can be seen. So this is something which again makes your writing quite formal. And one thing extra that I need to mention, and I mentioned this thing in my previous video as well, avoid repetition of words. Try to use new words. I'm not talking about vocabulary, but I'm talking about synonyms. I mean, if I talk about people, so try avoiding people again and again in your writing. Instead of that, you can use masses, you can use individuals, you can use folks. So this is what I mean. And I hope this video would be helpful for you when you are doing your writing part. And for any further details, you can write your queries in the comment box. And I'm there to help you out. Thank you so much.